Hi everyone, in this video we will be calculating running total using scan function. So we will simply write equals to scan. uh, Initial value should be 0 as we will be calculating it from 0, comma array. We will select this array, comma function. So we need to put use one function over here. So I am loading in lambda function. So click on this. For lambda function we will be requiring one parameter, so which will be the initial position of this 0, which is a, comma parameter or calculation. So in this we will be using this cost column for our calculation. So I am putting cost, comma parameter or calculation, then we will be using sum, and we will be placing a plus cost over here and closing this bracket, and you can see we are getting the running total over here using scan function. Thank you.